So stick around to the end and I'll show you how 300,000 naira to 500,000 naira can help you start your journey with one of these. So this video is about 16 high profit agro commodities you can buy cheap in harvest and sell with high profits during scarcity. Whether you're in Abuja, Lagos, Enugu, or even in the diaspora, you can do this agro business and make profits in Nigeria. The food supply chain in Nigeria is extremely seasonal. That means prices crash when everyone is harvesting, and prices skyrockets or shoots up when supply drops. That is, after harvesting and there is no more supply, your prices will drop. For example, you could buy groundnut in October for 12,000 naira per bag, store it and sell in April for 24,000 naira per bag. That is 100% ROI on your investment within 6 months or even more. No crypto, no forex drama, just smart commodity investing. Plus, inflation is eating your savings. So why not put it in commodity that doubles or triples in value? So whether you're in Nigeria, in Africa, or any other part of the world, you could actually invest here in Nigeria and make your money steadily within 6 months. Let's break down 16 top commodities to invest one by one. The first is groundnut. That is what you guys call peanut in the diaspora. You can buy groundnut from September to November for a very cheap price and sell March to May for a higher price. The profit margin is between 60% to 110%. That is, it has the potential to give you 100% return on your investment. This business is hot because demand is stable from your suya seller to your oil processor and your snack makers. Groundnut will always sell. Ginger is another commodity that you would love. It makes a lot of money. Buy ginger between November to December and sell between May to July. For storage, store it in a dry sack or wooden crate, not plastic, because ginger needs to maintain its moist and dryness. The profit margin is crazy during Ramadan season. Now for local rice, buy between October to December. Like I said, local rice, that means you need to meet farmers. That is the time they are harvesting. And then you sell between July and August. That is the time people will start restocking to resell in December. So you see that fresh rice needs to get dried up, and it would have done that between the process of December to the next year's July. And then you start selling in July when demand for this commodity will be so high because people will need to export. People will need to store for December. You can even brand and resell. For you to get this kind of rice, buy in states like Kebbi or Ebonyi for bulk deals. What about melon, popularly known as egusi in Nigeria? You can buy between July to August and then sell between March to May. It is used daily in soups in Africa and particularly in Nigeria and is in high demand. Now, I must tell you, egusi is like crypto. Generally volatile, but profitable. What about palm oil? I recently spoke about palm oil in one of my videos, and you should do it to watch that after this one. Anyways, you can buy palm oil between the end of January to April and then sell September to December. It is used in every Nigerian kitchen, and you can make profits of between 60% to 100% on palm oil by just storing it in kegs or drums. The next is soya beans. You can buy soya beans between October to December and sell June to August. It's very popular and in high demand in animal feed and baby food industry. Beans is another commodity that you can buy between November to January and sell between July to September. This is a constant eater. A bag that sells for 35k in harvest can go for 120k in scarcity. Maize is another commodity you can buy from October to December and sell June to August. Exporters are paying premium for this. It is great for diaspora investors. Feed companies are your buyers. Buy in tons, store in warehouses in Ijebu or Jos. Sesame seed is another one you can get from October to December and then sell between June to August. You will observe that a lot is going on between October to December. And if you don't know, you just be in your house thinking of buying holiday clothes. I'm sorry for you. People are seriously making money. You can buy Guinea corn between October to December and sell between May to July. It is used for pap, kunu, and animal feeds. Millets, similar to Guinea corn, you can buy between October to December and sell between May to July. It's solid in the north. You can invest in bulk and package it nicely. Turmeric is another commodity you can buy between November to December and sell between July to August. Zobo leaf, which is hibiscus leaf. I spoke about that business in one of my recent videos. If you have not seen it, you are missing something. Go and watch straight after this. You can buy between November to December and sell from March upwards. Zobo leaf is always in trend, like always selling season to season, back to back. People want to use Zobo because of its health benefits. Exporters in Germany and Mexico pay in dollars. If you are in the diaspora and you are looking into investing, you can harness this opportunity. Zobo is now a foreign exchange earner. You can also invest in yam. Buy between December and January and sell between June and August. Store in dry barns or ventilated stores. You can start with just 50 tubers and scale up afterwards. Dry pepper is another commodity you can invest in. Buy between October to December and sell between July to September. The peak prices can be 2 to 3 times the harvest rate. Great returns is guaranteed. This is not a commodity. It is not a crop. It is jerry cans. Buy empty jerry cans between August and December and sell for high prices between February and May. Yes, even jerry cans are seasonal because palm oil sellers will need them during the time. Because for the palm oil season, between January ending and May, people will buy lots of jerry cans to package. Now, how do you begin? Choose a commodity based on your capital. Remember, now who get money they do business. Make research about farmers or aggregators and partner with them. Rent a small dry storage space. This storage space can also be in your own personal home. Learn the market cycle. Join WhatsApp groups or platforms like Agro. Bonus tip here is to register your trade name if you're going into exportation. Get a CAC certificate for your business. So which one of these 16 commodity ideas caught your eye the most? Granules, Zobo, palm oil? Tell me in the comments if you're ready to learn and scale your investments. Join the FOOBY Finance Growth Community. You know it is free. But if you want a one-on-one consultation, you can email me for that. It's just a token. The link for our community is in the description below. We also drop investment gems daily on our WhatsApp community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more ideas on businesses to invest in, profitable business ideas, smart investing, savings, everything financial growth, just check my playlist. And I will advise you to watch this video next.
They say money don't buy